What's that buzzing noise?
I don't know, dude, could be just nothing.
Could have been a bee or electric toothbrush.
Man, don't be so stupid, Larry sighs.
Let's see my phone on the security camera of what something bad is happening right now, Roy.
Okay, dude. Roy's mind. Dude, his current age is 10 but still his real age is 13. I should have not listened to him because I'm older than him. I am 17. Okay, Roy, but you'll just have to do it so you won't have to break Larry's promise. Hehehehe.
Don't know what he's thinking, but he's scheming in his mind. Oh well, let's just look.
Okay, Larry, I will come watch with you.
Oh crap. The bag bee in the elevator, and he's going to sting everyone in the world. But when bees usually sting people, they die, but this one stays alive. Quickly run for your life, the Godzilla bee. H.
Capital H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A H A. What a wimp Larry is. Nice try, good game, Larry, to try to trick me. Hehehehehe.
Roy, you stupid idiotic piece of crap. Why? Wah wah wah.
Larry is the wimp for the day.